Hello guys, it's Tamara Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today, guys. A graduation ceremony. Congratulations on completing your UNISA qualification. Finally, over your guys, she's done with school. She's now a graduate. She's holding a psychology degree, guys. So guys, do you still remember around January over your guys, they posted a Q&A. She was like, people were busy asking me, when are you graduating? Are you in school? What is going on? Focus on your life. Especially when he was dating Pumelo, guys, people would drag her over to Aga. She's not doing anything. She's busy following Pumelo, guys. It was hard. She did say, yo, I was going through a lot. At least right now, I'm holding my degree. I am happy. She did say, Lapana January, she's just waiting for the letter to confirm we are graduated. So a huge congratulations to you guys. Guys, a degree will never leave you. Trust me. Everybody can leave you, but that paper, even if you die, nobody can use it. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the conversation what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.